In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booking page in WP Engine. If you've ever found yourself in need of setting up an intuitive and user-friendly booking page for your website, you're in the right place. We're going to walk you through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end of the session, you'll have a functional booking page ready to go. Let's start by logging into your WP Engine dashboard. This is your primary access point to manage your website and its settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to the WP admin area. This will take you directly to your WordPress dashboard where most of the magic happens. Now, it's essential to have the WP Travel Engine plugin installed and activated. This plugin is a crucial component for creating a booking page as it provides all the necessary tools and functionalities. Don't worry if you haven't installed it yet. You can easily find it by going to Plugins, clicking Add New, and searching for WP Travel Engine. Once you find it, just click Install and then Activate. Congratulations, you now have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. With the plugin activated, let's create a new page for your bookings. Head over to Pages in your WordPress dashboard and select Add New. Here, you can give your page a name. Something straightforward and informative like Book Now or Booking works well. In the content area of your new page, you'll need to insert this specific shortcode, WP Travel Engine the booking. This shortcode is essentially a small piece of code that tells your WordPress site to display the booking form provided by the WP Travel Engine plugin. It's a detailed back-end way to ensure everything functions seamlessly on the front end for users. With your shortcode in place, you'll want to publish your page. Take a moment to review everything and then simply hit publish. This crucial step makes your page live and accessible to users who visit your site. Now, before we wrap things up, there's one final configuration we need to make. Navigate back to your WordPress dashboard, and from there, go to WP Travel Engine, select Settings, and then choose General. In this section, you'll find an option to set your new booking page as the default booking page. This step is important because it ensures that all booking functionality defaults to this new page, maintaining a consistent user experience across your site. Don't forget to click Save Changes once you're done. This step secures all the settings you've configured, and just like that, you've successfully set up a booking page in WP Engine. Feel free to test everything to ensure it's performing as expected. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this guide helpful for your website endeavors.